Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about space on your Ubuntu server. So in my case, when I tried to open the phpmyadmin, I could not open the phpmyadmin because it was saying an error. It say some kind of error. It say to me no space on the VPS. Well, about me, I go VPS. I stay on the internet, go from some company, and one of my VPS, it say like this: you don't have enough space. When I check the space on the VPS, I'd say go about 20 GB. But when I was trying to update to run sudo apt-get update or sudo apt-get upgrade, it would say to me not enough space. Well, when I got enough space, 20 GB, but you cannot open, cannot create any files. So there is one more thing what I just know about early, what I say about inodes. So what is inodes is like a social security number for the files. So any file got on inodes. So when the company it sell it to you a VPS where you create a special disk for this drive for your VPS or VDS or any of these, it assign how many inodes could use this. For example, on my case was 5 million something, about 6 million inodes. So I did check out and would say I run out of inodes. So let me show you how to check the inodes. That's very easy. You just connect by SSH to your driver, to your VPS. So in my case, and after type this. So what we're gonna see is we're gonna see this inodes. So how much I got and how much I use it and how much is left. So in my case was about 5 million inodes I have, but I request 5 million more, so I pay for additional inodes. So in my case right now I got 1 million, but my case was 5 million something. Was this use was 100%, so I could not create any files, could not do anything on my VPS. So the easy way to find out how much inodes you just enter this command line, connect by SSH, you enter this command line, and you'll find out how many inodes you got. So there's a few more command lines where you can find which folder took all your inodes. On my case, my folder from home and TMP was session was creating by default. I use it one of my servers. I use it a panel like Vesta CP, so it creates a lot of sessions. It was about 5 million sessions. So what you do to how do you clear your inodes like a session, but you have to check this folder, any of your account, and check if you got session. If you got some kind of website on Coding Nitro or something like this, or any who create session, so this one is going to clear your session not less than 5 days. So yes, when you enter this command, you have to wait a little bit longer, could be 5 or 6 hours until you delete all the 5 million inodes. But you could open your computer, you enter this command and go do your business, go to work and go to somewhere else. It will do it by yourself, and automatically with this will take longer. This command will tell you which folder is used all your inodes. So first one, you run this one. I check the list of check if you left some inodes. Second one, you run this to check which folder it took all your inodes, and this one go to, if you can go to the folder and inspect and see what kind of file are there, what kind of stuff is taking all your this, so probably there are a lot more files, like in my case is session, but I just enter this command and automatically clear all my this. So hope I tell you everything about the inodes. If you didn't know about this, then you'll know and check it. So what is gonna happen if you try to open your phpmyadmin, you see some kind of error, it tell you don't have enough space on the disk, or something the others you try to update, or something you try to create any folder, any files on your VPS, and it say to you have no much space, but when you check the space, it say to you go allow space, you got 10 GB more or 100 GB more, but you cannot create, so you're not allow. So keep in mind there are also a list of inodes. If all the files you need, all the files that you might request from your company that ask for more inodes, buy it, they could sell it probably, but that's it at the moment. So hope this video is gonna help someone, and ta-da.